NYPD Blue star Kim Delaney was arrested after an alleged heated argument that turned physical with her partner, James Morgan, on Saturday. Law enforcement sources confirmed that police were called to her residence for a domestic disturbance around 10 a.m. Paramedics arrived on scene to see if Kim and John were injured, and that after they were both medically cleared, LA Sheriff's deputies took them both to jail. 63 years old, the actress, who won an Emmy in 1997 for her role as Detective Diane Russell in the groundbreaking police drama, was charged with felony assault likely to cause great bodily injury. Morgan was charged with misdemeanor domestic violence. In addition to NYPD Blue, Delaney has starred on All My Children and Army Wives and had roles in Philly and CSI, Miami. Originally from Philadelphia, she started out as a model before turning to acting. She earned a Daytime Emmy Award nomination in 1983 for All My Children. However, her personal life has been marred by struggles with alcoholism and brushes with the law. In January 2024, Delaney was sued by a motorcyclist named Jamal Badalov, who claims she fled the scene after allegedly crashing her car into him in November 2022. At the time, witnesses to the incident alleged that Delaney was driving erratically prior to the alleged crash. In his lawsuit, Badalov says that he was stopped at a red light in November 2020 when Delaney allegedly crashed into his bike. Badalov says that witnesses on the scene saw the television star swerving between lanes haphazardly as she drove down Venice Boulevard toward the intersection. He said that the crash flung him from his motorcycle and into the intersection. Badalov also says that Delaney initially tried to drive away after hitting his bike, but onlookers prevented her from escaping. It's unclear if Delaney attempted to communicate with Badalov or check to see if he was injured during the interaction. He goes on to claim that the actress then exited her vehicle and called up an unknown person on her phone. However, Badalov says that Delaney appeared to be disoriented as she made the call, suggesting that she may have been under the influence of alcohol or other substances. The alleged victim adds that Delaney apparently got him to speak with the person on the other end of the line, whom he claims offered to pay him an unspecified amount of money if he would allow the actress to leave the scene without calling police. Badalov said he refused the alleged offer, and he says the person on the phone then told Delaney to flee the scene, though it's unclear if he heard them on the phone's speaker. Delaney allegedly drove away before police could respond, leading Badalov to file his lawsuit. In April 2024, Delaney was ordered to do 50 hours of community service and complete the Mothers Against Drunk Driving program over the alleged 2022 incident. Per Radar Online, the star was told she must not operate a vehicle without a valid driver's license in her possession and liability insurance. In 2002, she was arrested in Malibu, California, after she refused a breathalyzer test after being pulled over by police and was arrested on suspicion of drunk driving. Delaney later pleaded no contest to the charge, which earned her a fine, a mandatory drunk driving course, and a 2-year probation stint. The following year, she reportedly checked into a rehab program following her departure from CSI Miami. The alcohol-related issues escalated in 2005, when she lost custody of her son Jack Katase, who was then 15. He testified that she had put him in danger by forcing him to ride with her when she picked him up from a party while allegedly intoxicated. He also claimed that she had urged his friend to get in the car as well, though they refused to ride with her due to her apparently intoxicated state. Katase also testified that it was not the first time that his mother had driven him while drunk. In September of 2011, Delaney was pulled off stage at an event honoring former Defense Secretary Robert Gates after she delivered an incoherent and slurred speech, leading attendees to believe that she was intoxicated. Her first statement about the incident wasn't until 2012, and she downplayed it to Entertainment Weekly, saying she wasn't feeling great when she delivered the speech and claiming there were technical problems, but she didn't mention any alleged substance use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.